What's going on YouTube? It's the one and only Adam Dinoli at it again, bringing you guys another video. And today, I'm finally going to share with you guys one of the things that I use with my life that I found really impactful and helpful for me setting goals for myself, hitting those goals, and actually striving to where I want to go and setting the direct path that I chose for myself and staying on course. But I just want to say, if you're liking the content that I'm uploading on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. It would really help the channel grow, and I really appreciate your guys' support, because I really want to help making more videos for you guys. And while this channel grows, it'll make it a lot easier for me to set time to focus on the channel. But with that being said, let's get into the video. So the main thing that I use that I found really helpful is my old faithful whiteboard. Yeah, my whiteboard. It's something that you really wouldn't think about being a big, like, life-changing thing to have to put you on course, compared to like not being like productive or whatever you want to set for yourself, not being able to complete those goals without it. But for me, actually integrating this in my life and having one really changed my life more than I thought it would in the beginning. Because let me just step back. Before, like, in the beginning I had a whiteboard. Before I didn't have a whiteboard, like, I get excited for a lot of things when it happens, and then like after a week I procrastinate, I don't keep up with the goals, and I just fall off. Like, it's been a problem I had, and like it's hard for me to set goals. Like, I had like a calendar and stuff, and like notifications and stuff to like help me out, but like it was like never like, it didn't really like sink in, like, yeah, like this is stuff I need to do. But like it was like completely different when I had a whiteboard. I'm going to talk about 3 benefits that you guys could actually have having a whiteboard compared to not having one, and how I found it helpful within my life, and tell you guys from personal experience how it affected me. So with the first benefit, it's mainly going to be about visualizing your goals. So like, I know like a lot of people have planners, like notebooks, or like notifications on their phones, or like the note app, like almost everything in the world that will remind them and do all these things. But you know, it's so hard to actually do them. Like, it still takes you to actually get up in the morning and do those goals set forth before and actually complete them. But a lot of people don't do that, you know? I was one of them before I had a whiteboard. It was really hard for me to set goals for myself and actually follow through. Like, I could set goals, but following through was the hardest part. And when I actually got a whiteboard, it was easy to visualize these goals, because like it was right in front of me. Like, it's like right next to where I sleep. Like, it's in my room. Like, this is where I actually work most of the time, and actually waking up, I'm seeing it. Like, it's right there. Like, stuff that I set for myself, my yearly amount that I want to make at the end of this year, like the goals I have to set for myself, like daily, weekly, all of these things is like in front of me. And like, it will really make you feel some type of way. Like, if you don't complete them, it will just like, it's like so different. Like, it's hard to explain, but like it's completely different, like having goals on your phone and stuff and everything, and you don't complete them, or like in a little notebook somewhere, because like you're not seeing those every day. Like, yeah, you wrote it down somewhere, but like you're not like waking up and looking at it every day. Compared to having a notebook and you don't complete your, compared to having a whiteboard and you don't complete those goals, and you see it right there, like you need to do this, like you need to set these goals, and like, you know, like you wrote these goals for yourself to complete, and you're not doing it, and you're going to bed at the end of the night knowing that you didn't complete what you have to do for your own life. Like, for me, that really synced in, and like it was like a real wake-up call for like what I actually have to do in my life, and like the goals I want to set for myself. Because, you know, no one's going to hold your hand throughout like life, or like whatever you want to do. Like, you have to be the person that has to wake up every day and actually have the willpower to actually do what you got to do. No one else is going to live your life but you, you know? So like, that's the mindset I had when I actually got in the groove with having a whiteboard and everything. It really like helped me out way more than I thought it would. Like, it was insane. And honestly, that leads me straight to the second benefit that I found really helpful with the whiteboard, is actually stacking your goals. So like, what I mean by this is actually, say like you have a goal, but like it's not attainable in like a few days or whatever. Okay, that's perfect. You break those goals down into like daily little goals, and then weekly goals, until you get the big overall goal that might take a month for you to like hit. And what you do by that is like, you break down, okay, let's use this for example. Like, you want to gain a certain amount of pounds, like in the gym. You want to build muscle, but you can't build like, let's say like 5 pounds of muscle in like one day. Like, it might take you a month to do that. So you break down like little like workout plans daily, and then after that you break out like the weekly plan that you have, which will be your goals, and then putting those together will end up having your overall goal in the month, when you calculate everything, how much you could actually gain. And that's your overall goal. So like, for me, I take a goal, and then if I can't like complete in one day or like a week, I'll break those down so like I could build the momentum, and it feels like I'm getting somewhere compared to just having one broad ass goal that's like, oh, I want to gain 5 pounds in 1 month. Okay, I work out in the gym like 2 days and I just fall off saying, damn, I couldn't get the goal, I couldn't reach the goal, and I just like I fall off because I have no traction, I have no like momentum that's helping me get to that goal. You need like little rewards like towards like your path of like making that goal a reality. Reality checks is like actually hitting these goals that will like show you like, yo, you're 1 step closer, you're 1 step closer, come on, keep it up. And it will just help you get that in your mind, and like it helps you really build momentum to complete goals. And it's actually pretty cool, like you actually know you're getting somewhere daily, especially if you're breaking them down daily. And it's really helpful because it's going to be right there in your face. It's going to be easy for you to actually break them down, visualize everything, and like fall asleep at the end of the night knowing that you completed your goal. And the third one is honestly, it's momentum. Like I said it in the second tip, but like this is really big. Like it helps you build momentum. Momentum is like one of the most important things with goals. Like if you're a really goal-oriented person, or you want to become a goal-oriented person, you need momentum. Like you need that, because like if you set a goal, boom, you completed a goal. You set one goal, oh fuck, you didn't get the goal, okay, let me do it again. Like it's hard for you to get back in the groove of like, damn, I completed this goal, fuck, let me do another one, compared to like, oh, I completed this goal, damn, I missed this last goal, damn, like, am I even cut out for these? Like it's hard for you to actually like build up that like, damn, like inside, like you're feeling good and everything. And actually breaking down your goals, hitting them daily, is just going to help your morale, help you have that sense of like you're achieving something, you're feeling good. Even if it's not like your overall goal, you're still 1 step closer. You broke down that big goal and you hit those small chunks of semi goals, and it's, you know, it's going to lead to like the end all be all, whatever you want to achieve in life. That one goal, your end of the road, your destination. And it all starts with breaking down your little goals step by step, and a whiteboard's really beneficial for that because it will build your momentum. It will help you stack goals on top of the other goals to help you reach your end all be all goal, and you'll be able to visualize the goals that you have for yourself every day you wake up in the morning. Like it's like I'd even like acknowledge this until like I was actually like in the groove of like setting goals, completing them, set another goal, completing them, hit a big goal, make another big goal. It was so like so repetitive, and I was like, dang, like I wasn't always like this. Like I was like thinking about like what was like one of the big things that changed me to be like the person that I am right now. And honestly, there's a lot of things that came in play, but those are for other videos. But like one of the main things is this whiteboard, man. Like it really helped me be what I am today and helped me stay on the path that I chose for myself. And I really appreciate it. And yeah, like that's why I just wanted to share with you guys today. And I'll show you guys some of the stuff I have on my whiteboard. I won't like go in great detail because it might be confusing, but I'll just show you some of the things that I actually put up. Is mainly like daily goals and like weekly goals, because if I put all my goals I need a bigger whiteboard, you know what I mean? So like, let me show you guys what I actually have. So mainly right over here, this is like my financial thermometer basically, and it actually shows me exactly what I want to reach, like how much I want to hit until January 2019. Basically just shows where I'm at, and then like if I reach like, this is like 5k, 10k, 15k, I check those off and everything, and like change it every new year. Every new year that I have, I actually change it, and then I make a new thermometer. And say like last year I made like 55k, like damn, I went up that and try to reach like 80k, and I'll just switch it up. Like that's how I build momentum yearly. And like for like the daily goals I was talking about, like this is one I have right here. Like if you've seen the previous videos that I've been making, I've been really into drop shipping a lot. So one of the goals I set for myself, if you're following those videos, is listing 5 items a day. And that's why I wrote like 5 listings every day, 24/7, 365, no breaks, like honestly. So like, yeah, this is listing goals, and like this is like drop shipping road to 10k a month. One of my annually goals that I want to set for myself, just like the little step-by-step to-dos and everything. Reminders, don't be lazy. Oh, also like one of the quotes that I found really impactful in my life, I have it on the whiteboard here, I'll share it with you guys today. You guys probably can't read the handwriting, but it's right here. It says, those who start today actually have a tomorrow. actually hearing that, I heard it from a show, honestly. Like, yeah, like, I figured I'd, like, hear it from, like, an entrepreneur or whatever, but, like, no, it was, like, from this, like, a cool show that I started watching a while ago. And I'll tell you guys later. If you guys interested in, like, it was really impactful, like, I could make another video about that. Just let me know if you like that, and I'll, like, post in the comments or whatever. And then if you guys want me to make a video, just let me know, and then I'll make a video in the future, because I don't want this video to go any longer. But yeah, that's mainly what I have on my whiteboard, and that quote really, like, it really, like, lit the fire under my butt. Like, you know, if you're gonna keep on procrastinating, you're not gonna get anywhere. You're not gonna have a future. Like, if you want to have it tomorrow, you gotta do the shit you need to do today, you know. So that's just my mindset on everything, and how I found a whiteboard really helpful in my life. And I just hope that you guys really appreciate what I shared with you guys today, and hopefully you could, like, relate to anything that I talked about, and you could try to integrate that in your life, and hopefully it could impact you the way it impacted me, because I'm really grateful, and it really helped me reach the steps I need to take. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. If you guys like this video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Help this channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Appreciate your support. So that being said, I hope you guys all have a great day. Until next time, Adam Noli signing off.